I am UK the creator, and welcome to a brand new episode of our logo recreation. Sorry it has been a while. I'm a student and an undergraduate, and we've had a lot of exams recently and classes, so I haven't been able to put up a video lately, and we're back. Right now we are going to be dealing with the LG logo. It's once again a very simple logo that we as beginners will be able to do, and it's something for us to practice our simple skills of Coreldraw as well. So quickly to get into this is the picture. I will keep this right there. So firstly, I would like us to start with the logo here, which is, apart from the write-up, the LG write-up, the logo is kind of a face with one eye, and this L is kind of like the nose of the face, and it also has this Pacman look around it, but no need to be afraid. It's very simple, and we'll start with it now. So firstly is to draw our ellipse, which is the circle right there. We'll just do that, nothing difficult, and you can use the color eyedropper tool to pick out the color right there and do that. We do not need any outline in this logo, so we take out the outline as well. So next, what we do for the Pacman look right there, what I would do is to hold the shift and to just reduce another circle and right click, just like that. So now there is another there, and all we have to do is give it a white outline. So we can see here it's kind of faint from what we see right here for the Pacman look. So what we have to do is thicken it a little bit. Let's see 2 points. Okay, it's still too soft. Let's see 8, and yes, 8 is looking very okay. I'll reduce this a little bit. Or is that so much? Okay, a little bit of an increase is a recreation, so I'm just trying to put you through the step-by-step process on how to get the logo done. So next we have to do this to make the circle an arc, and then we click on this, and this is what we have. It's a 270 right here, but all I have to do is to mirror this vertically. So once I do that, we have this. So it's already taken off 90 degrees here. It's still 270, is just flipped. So we have this, and it makes it look exactly like the Pacman. Next, I draw a straight line right there, a 2-point line, simple, and I also give it the 8-point outline I gave the other. I'm going to place this right here. So I'll change the color as well to white, and I'll reduce this to the same size that was portrayed on the LG logo, which is here, and I think I'll need to reduce this a little bit. Yes, I think that's okay. Now I have to make sure this is properly aligned. Just decrease it, and how I gotten it. Okay, just to move this a little bit, and it sometimes take you a different time to get this done, but I prefer to make sure this is perfectly in line with each other. And okay, I think that's enough, and I have achieved what I wanted. This is just for us to know how to get this done. It may not be totally straight, but as well you can be that good and get it exactly how you want it. Now we've done this, so we'll make this a little bit longer. Next thing is for us to get this L shape right here. So just as well, we'll get this straight line, duplicate it right there, or rather we'll just do this in the shape of our logo we are recreating. Reduce this and we get another one, but this time what we're going to do, we're going to rotate this by 90. There, now we have a straight line. Then the next thing for us to do is to make sure that this is properly aligned, and as you can see, I have gotten that, and then extend it above. So mine is looking a little bit too long, so I'm going to reduce it, and also take this down a bit. Is that okay? I think it is. So once we have done this, now all we have to do is to put this little white dot over there, kind of like the eye. You just do that, make it white, take off the outline and drag it to our desired place, which is right there, and we have achieved the logo, the most important part of it. So what we do now is to get this LG font, and the font for this LG is Helvetica. I'll show you that right now. Helvetica Black. You can have these different fonts. You can search the font up to download. It's available for download anywhere on the internet. So you can search it on Google and other platforms, and we place that right there. So you can also do the same to get the exact color right there, because it's not totally black. And there you have it. We have achieved the LG logo. It's not hard, it's very simple for us to do. And we group this and place it on the page right there. So as you can see, it is not so different from the original LG logo, but now we've made it and it looks a little bit more polished than the other one, because obviously it's a JPEG file from the internet, from Google. So with this, I hope you've learned the steps to make this, the different tools that we used, and the different ways we combine them to achieve this. And leave a like, subscribe, and more videos will be coming out soon. Stay tuned. Bye.